Welcome to Drama and Learning. Please make subscribe our channel and click the bell icon. So hi guys, in our today's video we are going to tell you that how you can tie up a shoelace in different pattern like you can see here. So these grey boots I have worn, you can see a flower pattern is here, and I have tied it in a bit different pattern, and you may not believe but it's really very simple to do it. So in our video we are going to tell you that how you can tie up a shoelace like these. So here I have removed the shoelace of my boots. Here I am having the lace. So now I am going to tell you that how you can tie up in this pattern. You can see the pattern. I'm showing you it's a cross in between and the layers are going below and like on above and below it. So first what we are going to do at the bottom, we are going to take this, like from top we will take, ऊपर से हम लेंगे and bringing it from the bottom of another of the opposite to it, we'll take it out. So I'll explain you in both the languages, Hindi and English both. तो अब मैं इसे हिंदी में रिपीट कर रही हूँ. आप ऊपर से लेस को डालेंगे एंड देन नीचे से उसकी ऑपोजिट होल में नीचे से हम उसे डालेंगे. सो देन आपको एक बार चेक करना है दैट इज इट इक्वल और नॉट. सो यहाँ पे मुझे इक्वल मिल रहा है, सो दैट मीन्स दैट आई कैन कैरी ऑन विद इट. नाउ वी विल टेक द लेफ्ट लेस. सो जो लेफ्ट वाली लेस है, we'll tie it up, we'll count 1, 2 and 3. So in the third hole we'll put it from the top. तो मैंने इस होल से निकाला, तो ये ऊपर है, ऊपर से ही मैं काउंट करूंगी 1, 2, 3. थर्ड होल में हमें इसे डालना है, देन इसको हमें निकालना है एंड देन व्हाट डू वी हैव टू डू, हमें इस वाले होल में बिल्कुल इसके साथ सेकंड नंबर होल में नीचे से डालना है एंड देन ऊपर से हमें इसके सेकंड होल में डालना है. So what we have done here, I've taken out the lace from this hole, third number hole from the top, and then I've taken out with the hole which is with it. In the second hole I've taken out from the below, and then from the top to the second hole from the bottom. Then third hole we'll take it out, and then in this third hole we'll put it from the bottom. This time we are not putting from the top, because if we'll take it out like this, so it's coming from below and you know that we cannot tie up like this. That's why we will take it out. And in the last chance, like here we were putting it from the top, हम इसे ऊपर से डाल रहे थे in both the cases, but now here because इस moment पे हमें tie करना होता है, so that's why हम इसे नीचे से डालेंगे, तो फिर it will be coming like this. Now we can easily tie it up. Now with the second we have to repeat the same process. Third hole we'll take it out, then with the hole with it we'll put it, second hole from the bottom, then we'll put it in the hole with it like this, you can see a bit, and then from bottom at the last. See, like this I have tied it up. You can see the pattern clearly. Wait, I'll show you. See, तो मैं अपना दूसरा पेयर भी ले आई हूँ यहाँ पे. I have bought my second pair. So you can see the same pattern in this boot also, in this boot also, and these both are looking so pretty. If you will wear these, it will look awesome. Everyone is going to ask you that कैसे बनाया आपने इतना सुंदर पैटर्न. Like I'm not appreciating myself. Okay, don't take it like. Bye guys. only this much for our today's video. I hope that you like this video, and we have another boot also. See there, इसकी हमने straight laces tie की है. This I cannot show you because there's some problem in the laces. It's been stuck. These are not like I am not able to take them out. There's maybe something, a hole is small at the last, so I am not able to just take it out, this lace, so that's why I cannot show you that how these were tied. So that's why. Thank you. I hope you like this video. Please share our video, like our video, and subscribe our channel. If you liked today's video, so please comment us that did you liked it or not, but please don't give dislikes. Like, I'm just kidding, okay? And do click the bell icon. Thank you.